Okay, we now go on with IELTS speaking part 1. Part 1 is always like a friendly talk, simple questions and one sentence question, and you have to give 4 or 5 sentence answer. Right? Very, very simply, whatever the topic is, don't be afraid that my topic is easy, my topic is difficult. Remember, answers are in your hand. Whatever you want to say, that will be fine. Now, your topic is plan, and my first question is, do you make plans every day?
Yes, when I get up in the morning, uh, I make plan. I make plan for study, and I will follow my schedule of the study.
Okay,
Of
first
the
you
study
started
plan.
with present and then you went to past.
Okay.
It should not, sorry, future. It should not be in future because the question is, do you make plans?
Yes.
Now listen and remember, whenever they ask you questions with do you should answer first, yes, I do, or no, I
Do.
don't. So, do you make plans every day? Of course I do. Answer should be emphatic, powerful answer, right? Do you make plans every day? Of course I do. Every morning when I wake up, I make a plan of that day. Sometimes before going to bed at night, I make a plan. According to the plan, I set alarms and reminders. So why not? I make plans every day.
Yes.
All right, something like that. Very simple and to the point. Now let's go on. Are you good at managing your time?
Yes. Sometime I I reminder or I reminder.
I
the
set a
things.
reminder.
I set a reminder.
Listen. Are you good at managing your time? Yes,
Yes,
I
I
am. When the question is with are you, then
Yes,
you
sir.
say yes, I am. When the question is with do you, then you say yes, I do or no, I don't. So, are you good at managing your time? Yes,
Yes,
I
I do.
am. Why not? Right? I set reminders, I set alarms, and I make notes whenever I have to do something. So I plan my time, something like that. Okay. So please answer. Are you good at managing your time?
Yes, I do. Uh,
Not I do. Question is with are you? So
yes,
yes,
I
I
am.
am.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am, and I am also set the reminder on my mobile, and I am always make plan.
I always make plans.
I always make plan for doing something or whatever uh, I want. I will want to do in next hour.
Okay.
So I so
All
I
right. All right. What is the latest plan you made?
last Sunday. Yes, last Sunday we will make a
Listen,
plan.
what is the latest plan you made?
Yes,
Now
sir.
you will not say we,
Okay.
you will say I. Last Sunday I made a plan, and then you can go on.
Last Sunday I make a plan with my cousin to go out and for some refreshment and for relaxing the mind.
Listen, the question is what is the latest plan you made? Now it should be a plan that you will execute in the future. So you can say very recently. For latest you can use very recently. Very recently I have made a plan to go to northern areas, and after a couple of weeks I will go to northern areas with my friends because the weather is very nice there and I would love to enjoy that weather. So I have made this plan with my friends. That's it. It should not be a plan, very small plan. It should be something, yeah. So I have decided to drink water.
Something very big.
And now I'm going, yeah. No, not very big, but still
Any.
something out of the routine. Now, what is the hardest part about making plans?
Sometime I make a plan with my friends and cousins. So
That is a question. What is the hardest part about making plans? Well, the hardest part about making plans is decision making.
Yes.
It becomes difficult to decide what to do, when to do, how to do. So I think the hardest part of making any plan is decision making. Second, convincing the people who are around you, especially if you make any plan about your life, convincing your parents is the difficult part, right? So just like that you can talk. So there should be some answer, or there should be some content in your answer that is important, right? Now next one, please pass the mic on. You want to listen to me? Oh, that's why you stopped. Okay, so next time we'll put the scene over there so that you could listen to me. All right, that's good. Well, for you, the topic is festival. Any festival, whatever in your country. But remember, whenever you talk about food or festival, you must speak total English. When it comes to food, mouth is watering. Sindhi biryani, masale wali biryani, degi chicken, chicken charga. Okay, these things come to your mind. So you have to control yourself. It should be all in English. Now, what is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival, mostly my favorite festival is Eid.
Okay, now see, you repeated your sentence twice. So you want to talk about Eid, very good. What is your favorite festival? First of all, you need to come up with some synonym of favorite. What is your favorite festival? I love Eid festival. I always like Eid festival. So you should use some synonym, right? So, and then you can give reasons. So what is your favorite festival?
I always like festivals. I always like
Eid festival.
Eid festival. Mostly Eid al-Fitr because after passed out of
After 30 days of fast, we have this festival.
we have this fast and celebrating with the family and
Okay, you need to focus your sentence structure. Make small sentences. Listen, I answer what you said. What is your favorite festival? My favorite festival is Eid festival. It is a Muslim festival and it is celebrated all over my country. This festival comes after the holy month of fast and all the Muslims celebrate this festival across the world. That's it. So you should learn how to make correct sentences, right? You are coming in grammar class also. Good. How do you celebrate this festival? Now it's not about people, it's about you. How do you celebrate this festival?
I celebrate this festival by eating different my favorite dishes and also wear favorite clothes and meeting with my friends and family.
Okay. What is the most popular festival in your country? Now you can say, this is actually the most popular festival in my country because I live in a Muslim country and this is a Muslim festival. So all over the like that. Okay. So please answer. What is the most popular festival in your country?
Eid festival is most popular and famous festival in our country because we are Muslim and we celebrate it.
We celebrate this festival.
Celebrate this festival, get together, meeting with family.
No. You're speaking in phrases. We celebrate this festival, and for that we get together. One sentence. We also meet our family members and relatives. So instead of making phrases, you have to complete your sentence, right? Okay, thank you. Now I come to you. You can take the mic, please. Your topic is crowded places. Now, what are the crowded places? Shopping malls, railway stations, airports, parks. These are crowded places. What places do you think are often crowded?
Well, many places are crowded like parks, shopping malls and other areas like public areas are very crowded as well.
Okay, that's right. So you can do one thing. If you talk about parks, define it in one sentence. For example, what places do you think are often crowded? First of all, parks are very much crowded. People love to go to the parks and they enjoy themselves, they become crowded. Secondly, shopping malls are often crowded, especially in the beginning of the month because people want to do shopping for grocery, clothes and all that. So these type of places are very much crowded like that. Okay, so don't just say shopping malls, parks. This shopping mall should come in a sentence.
Yes.
Then secondly, talk about park. Thirdly or finally, like that. When was the last time you were in a crowded place?
Well, recently last Sunday I have to go.
I had to go.
I had to go a program that was
It's not clear. Listen, I tell you. When was the last time you were in a crowded place? Last Sunday I went to a shopping mall near my house. There is the Diamond Shopping Mall. I went up there and it was full of people. There was some Diamond Shopping Mall is nowhere. I made it. Okay, so you need to come up with something. I mean, you just need to see this is the question. Like you just imagine, I'm Shah Rukh Khan. Right, and then they say, okay, Shah Rukh, how was your last movie? Oh, wonderful, that was pretending.
Yeah.
So you need to pretend according to the question. Now, please answer. When was the last time you were in a crowded place?
Well, last Sunday, I have a park near my home. I
went there.
I went there, and there was a lot of crowd.
There was a big crowd.
There was a big crowd because there was any program that was held by a community.
Okay.
That's why there is a very big crowd.
Okay, now listen, you use the word crowd 3-4 times.
Yeah.
First use crowd,
Gathering.
then gathering, then many
Many
people,
people.
lot of people, rush, these type of words. That's what examiner sees.
Yes.
Okay, how do you feel when you are in a crowded place? Present tense.
I don't feel very relaxed in a crowded place because there is a lot of noise in a crowded place, and many people making
Okay, listen up. Don't focus people. Focus your feelings. What's the question? How do you feel when you are in a crowded place? I feel great when I'm at the crowded place because I like to see a lot of people. When there are people all around, I feel quite excited and I enjoy more. Or, how do you feel when you are in a crowded place? I feel depressed because I don't like that there are people all around me. So whenever I go to any crowded place, I feel suffocated. It becomes difficult for me to breathe. People don't use deodorants. Something like that, okay? So don't focus people, focus your feelings. In every question, you need to see what is the focus and then answer accordingly. Use a variety of words, variety of sentences that can improve your band score.
Yes.
Okay? All the best. Thank you.